शेनवारा साळगावच्या लूर्ड्स कॉन्व्हेंट हायस्कुलाचो वर्सुकी सुवाळो जालो. विद्यार्थ्यांनी वॉट अ वंडरफुल वर्ल्ड ह्या संकल्पने अंतर्गत वेगवेगळे सादरीकरण केले. ह्या सुवाळ्याक थळावे आमदार जयेश साळगावकर मानाचे सोयरे आशिल्ले. RDX को खातीर साळगावच्यान जोसेफ फर्नांडीस.
It's a drill display wherein students are presenting the drill on the theme What a Wonderful World. In this, we are presenting all the elements in the entire world and showing how every element is so very important for our existence, and we too need to save and contribute towards it. All our students, the entire school, the staff, teachers, everybody is participating. So also our resource room students.
The smiles on the faces of the children, the way they performed today showed the love of the teachers, the love of the staff, and how well they treat you at school. How well they make you comfortable, how well they take care of you. And I thank the school for putting up such a good show, for giving all the love and support to the children. It's one of the best schools I believe I have in my constituency, and that is the Lourdes Convent. I always get to hear at the beginning, when during the admission time, a lot of crowd. Almost every parent wants their children to get enrolled at the Lourdes Convent, and there is a rush. And students are very lucky. Some students are very lucky to get admitted, to get the admission in the Lourdes Convent. And the school also performs in such a way that they nurture the students. The final product which comes out of the school is the students, how well they are polished in all the activities, not only academics but the cultural, the sports and all the other activities. For this wonderful job, and I congratulate the students. Keep on doing the hard work. There is no substitute for the hard work. For success, there is no lift. You have to take the stairs and work hard, and you will be successful.